Test, test, test. Rob, yes, you beat me. Let's go, baby. Oh, 32 pre-market. This week's going to be insane, guys. We're in for another volatile week. Like I said, I think the volatility is here to stay. I don't think it's going anywhere. GameStop's creeping 235 pre-market. One to keep a lookout for that I saw this morning was Alibaba with this disgusting gap up. I'm going to watch this one for sure. Baba. Let's take a look. Viacom. What was the other one? Discovery. Hmm. Yeah, I won like $3,000 on Saturday betting on Chelsea. I told you guys I was gonna put 1,000 on Chelsea, and guess who won? Chelsea. Let's go. So I have some more money to play with today. I'm gonna YOLO all that on day trade AMC. What's going on, Steve? Ben? Yap, what's going on? Hey, chicken. Chicken. Why do you always say that high low? Yeah, Blackberry has been going up too. 13 or 11 or 11 pre-market. 11:30, almost going to 12. What are the odds that this goes back up like AMC and GameStop to like 20 bucks? What are the chances? I think that's all gonna fall back on AMC. What is it gonna do today? That's right, baby. Chelsea. Where's my coffee? Went to Starbucks today, by the way, using that gift card. What's going on, David? Sundial, yeah. Sundial was under, what was it, exactly $1 on Friday. Yeah, right. 105 pre-market. I don't know how I feel about chasing Sundial anymore. I think I'll probably never trade that again. I love Liverpool. What's going on, Victor? Guys, surprisingly, Bitcoin and crypto weren't too shaky yesterday. I expected something bloody to happen. I mean, like I said, I don't think it'll trade sideways here. Good old Bitcoin. Oh, there we go. Let's go on the 4 hour. I mean, it has been just trading sideways here. There's resistance obviously at 40K. There's some support right around 32, 33K, but it's nearing the breakout point. So you might see Bitcoin in the news. Oh, it's back above 40K, or hey, it's tanking under 30. What do you guys think? You guys think we see a tank under 30, or we go above 40? I think a lot of it has to do with like the strength of the dollar too. What's the DXY at? Like 80, 90 90? The good old dollar. I think oil today is like going to the moon as well. These gas prices out here are insane. What's going on, Dante? Oh man, I'm like nervous for AMC. Like I don't have any position. I'm just going about a day trade on this. And I'm nervous. I hate how it does this. Hopefully it doesn't lag. I want to see a tank so I can buy some cheaper hardware, so it'll probably go up. So if you guys don't know, I'm pretty sure you guys are aware. I couldn't even sleep tonight. I woke up like at 3 in the morning, and I was already I was like checking the news on AMC. Guys, this is interesting because Mudrick is a hedge fund, right? And Rob and I were talking about Mudrick back in March, early March, late February. We were looking around to see some of these hedge funds. Mudrick, by the way, if I recall properly, correct me, Rob. Mudrick had bought GameStop and AMC back in November, December, and they sold into the massive rally at the end of July, at the end of January. I'm sorry. They made a lot of money on this one. So it might have been the situation where they went short. They could have shorted AMC and they got stuck. And that's the problem because they're going straight to Adam Aaron, straight to AMC to close their position. What was it, 27 bucks? 230 million divided by 8.5 million shares. That might be a problem, but who knows? Yeah, or they might even flip this. So I don't know. That's very interesting. Funny how the world works. We're talking about Mudrick. Can we talk about climate change? What's going on, Phoenix? Even if AMC holds $30 into Thursday, that's insane. Morning, Keith. What do you see a win? Oh, yeah, like I just said, 30. I think 30 would be probably a win. I mean, just that's just looking at the whole bigger picture. We had a red candle on Friday with that red day. Pre-market where this places us back up here. We might even see a retest of the highs, 36 this morning. At market open, we might even have a chance. There's a good chance of it testing the highs. And if it does, it's gonna get nasty. If it does break 36, it's gonna get ugly. It might even just break past 40 and go to $50. There's that possibility. Like I could just picture this. I'm trying to picture like a parabolic crazy rally on AMC, and it can hit 50. That's the thing. Is there a risk? Absolutely. I can't wait for the ninth. I just want to know what sort of numbers voted. Yeah, I've been following Adam Aaron on Twitter just to see what he's saying and keep us updated. I think there's also going to be another interview on YouTube with whatchamacallit, Trey. Oh, the market just opened. What the hell? I lost I lost sense of time right there for a quick second. That bell spooked me a little bit. Oh man, good morning, William. So yeah, we have some money to YOLO. We won a massive freaking sports bet over the weekend on Chelsea. Let's go Chelsea, baby. Champions League. Mm. I think this is some of the swingers over the weekend closing their positions right here. Very interesting. I wonder what the volume is going to be like today. Oh, please don't get halted. I don't want this to get halted. What the hell? Did this just want to sell for me right now? Or what? Did you see that? It said like shift S sell. All right, let's go. I'm betting that these people are going to buy the dip, come back a little lower, fill me in with more shares. Give me more shares, baby. The thing is, for the halt, it has to be on the previous close, if I'm not mistaken. There's three of them at 7, 13, and 15%, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, there's some selling pressure here. Like I said, I think all of this is those profit takers over the weekend. Those people saying diamond hands, they're going to hold till the end. Full of crap. Trust me, there's a lot of swing traders, day traders on this. This is nuts. Like there's one guy I follow on Instagram. I highly respect him. He's like this crazy options trader. On Friday, he was um he was day trading AMC. He was up 7K and then he was up 15K and then he closed the day down 4 grand. He got wrecked on this spike. Right here when it went up to 35. You guys remember this crazy candle we had here? He got wrecked on that. The volatility on this is no joke. If you have to be very careful because if this goes against you really quick, it can get really bloody. Um, let's see if my alerts work. I want to go here on Twitter and read the chat, but like I can't keep my eyes off of this. Tesla gets earlier German approval for the start of functional tests. Okay. AMC, I'm not liking this bounce here. Feels kind of odd, eh? Compared to last week, we were having some crazy rebounds here. Come on, come on. I'm glad my PC's not lagging though. Zoom in on it. Volatility gonna go up? Absolutely. I took some profits today, looking to buy, looking to take some more later. There we go, David. Look, see, it's not bouncing. I'm out. Screw this. I don't want to get it. I don't want it. I don't want to hold it. It's just too risky. You could feel the candlesticks. Like, it's no joke. I'm just gonna sell out on this. I'll buy back later. $7 L. Not even anything crazy. I'm just managing the risk because look, this can happen. This is not. We're not seeing what happened last week. We're not seeing the bounces like we saw last week, and I could just feel that. Ooh, that's a crazy candle. Let this come back. Let this come back. Let it come back. This is just people taking profits. Nothing too crazy here. Alrighty, let's go back in. Give me 1 second. Let's wait for this. Maybe SMA. Uh, let's just wait. I was up 100K on Friday. I had to close, but I didn't sell. Hmm. Oh, damn. Stop the madness, AMC. Come on. Or maybe it might come down to close that gap. Who knows? All right, there we go. I didn't get filled. All right, there we go. Expecting a stronger rebound, possibly like 30. Let's go. Um, Coinbase. Come on, AMC. We need a stronger bounce than that. SPY 422. Pretty good day in the markets overall. I think we should have a pretty decent green day today. I can't wait for the CPI and the Fed. We have the Fed. We have Powell this Friday, guys, and a couple other of those governors on the Fed board. There's like 7 of them, I think. $60 million volume. That's what it is right now. That's nutty. Come on, AMC. Is it just me or are we having some selling pressure? Come on. I love the volume and the momentum, but come on. You buying any airline stocks? How are those airlines today? 254. I mean oil is freaking nuts. Oh, it's not looking great right now. Mm, what is it what's oil at a barrel? Like 70? Mm-mm. Kind of don't like this right now on AMC. Let's see if we hold 30. I think 30 is going to be like the big support level today. Preyas, I'm just talking about like the 1 minute momentum. I'm not talking about the overall bigger picture. Overall bigger picture above 30 is amazing. UAL's popping. What's going on, Joshua? 68 a barrel. Sheesh. We're flooded. We're drowning. I think OPEC has a meeting. I wonder if they're gonna blame OPEC if there's a market crash. I wonder who the Fed is gonna blame. What do you guys think? Who is the Fed gonna blame? I forgot about Tesla. 631. Where's my Cybertruck at? I need to read it more about Tesla. Supply chain issues. That's no new news. We're already having massive. We're like importing like crazy right now. The United States. That's why we're having some of these ships get stuck left and right. Blame Canada, aliens. The Fed is gonna blame somebody, I promise you. But wait, you don't have to worry about inflation. Why worry about it now, right? Unless we become Germany again, like it was in the what 1920s, 1919, 1920, 1921, when Germany thought they had it all figured out. At the printing press, the banks loaning more money out there. They thought that was a solution. Until nope, 1923 they got wrecked. There's a good book on that. What's the book called? The Death of Money, something like that. I think Michael Burry talks about it. $30 still. Ugh. Come on, AMC. We need a reversal. This 1 minute is kind of looking weird. We need a stronger bounce. Jay Powell, the chairman of the United States Zimbabwe. We're headed to become the next Zimbabwe. There's a huge wall. I haven't looked at the level 2. I don't want to pull up the level 2 because then my computer starts acting up. My Arby's Wi-Fi starts kicking in. When Money Dies. Yes, that's the book. When Money Dies. If you guys haven't read that, oh my gosh. It's talking about the scenario we're living in right now with the United States. Except it's different situations. Back then it was the what? The war, right? It was the war. Now it's a what? The Rona. The Rona. Fantastic book. It's horror. It is spooky because everything you look at it and can you compare it to now, it's like, holy crap. You start to think, when is the music gonna stop playing, right? I have a feeling AMC's gonna fall into 29 right now. Please wreck me. Come on. There we go. Oh, these candles don't lie, man. Quantitative easing, yep. That has never stopped. Quantitative easing hasn't stopped since like 2008. They've just been about just printing and printing and printing. It's like they're never gonna stop. 227 for GameStop. Yes, yes, yes. Just made my second cup of coffee. There we go. Oh, today's Tuesday, right? Feels like Monday. We have a short week. So we'll see what happens, but those are some of the key dates you want to keep a lookout for June. I mean, if the Fed starts talking about tapering, ooh boy, it's gonna get ugly. And then I start to think like, if the Fed raises interest rates, doesn't that just screw over all these banks and their treasuries and could cause a collapse? That's what I'm thinking. It's like backstabbing them. What's going on, Craig? Yeah, it's been a minute. I'm on my second pot of coffee. Come on, I'm on this first one. I'm using Jonathan Allen's gift card. Jonathan, if you're here, shout out to you. I had a feeling it was gonna expire, so I was like, you know what, let's just use this. Thanks for the gift card, Jonathan. House of Cards. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, if the Fed raises interest rates, these banks are done. And if you guys aren't aware what's going on right now with the repos, that's insane. There's just so much liquidity right now. Stop dropping. How are we on the 5? 30.69 on the 5. With the repo market, usually on the repo market, let's pull this thing up. Let's go to Fred. Fred repo. Give me. This ain't it. Look at this, guys. All right, all right. We're seeing this massive spike here on the repo rates. So usually when you compare this back to like other dates, this is apparent at the end of a quarter or usually like at the end of the year, like in this case where it's like December, when you have a lot of these banks trying to puff up their balance sheets. But this is happening literally at a random time, May. You have a lot of these banks trying to get treasuries, right? And if they're locked in on these treasuries and the bank raises rates, they're done. What do you guys think? I want to hear your guys' opinion. Or it could be the situation where these banks want more leverage and they just put up these treasuries as collateral. That could be another situation too that I'm thinking. I mean, and that just adds to like the downfall, and we could see a recession. You just have all these dominoes falling left and right, all these banks blowing up, all these hedge funds blowing up. It's a collection of diaries from people in France, Germany, and Austria going through the hyperinflation, reading them, starting to hopeful, and the last line is I can't go on. Yeah, read that book. When Money Dies. WPG halted. WPG or WPF. It's halted 330. Here comes AMC. The reversal's here. Let's go, baby. What do you think of AMC pulling back to 20 and trading between 25 until the next trip? Asking for a friend who wants the YOLO. I can't answer that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would just be careful, you know. Apes cannot read; they can only color with crayons. Crayons are fun. All right, what can we expect here for a bounce? Maybe 30 bucks here, 31, 32. Let's see how strong that is. I don't want to see a rejection here at EMA and another leg down. Just hold here at 30. GameStop curling up a little faster than AMC. Very interesting. Usually GameStop is a little behind AMC, and now it's leading the way. Maybe AMC follows along. There we go, above 30 again. Oh man. I feel like the momentum is a little bit different compared to last week. Nonetheless, here at 30 is a pretty decent level. Look at GameStop go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. AMC go for 31, baby. Test that 5. All right, let's check Twitter. What's trending? Hopefully AMC. Why is it not trending? Usually it's number one. Help the bear. Help the bear is trending. Help the what bear? Oh yeah, there's this video, right, of this woman who pushes a big ass grizzly bear off the wall. I think that's why. June 1st is trending. Victoria. Hello, June. Oh yeah, it's June 1st. It's a brand new month. Testing 30 again. Not necessarily a bad sign. Okay, it's coming back down a little bit. Testing SMA. All right, if it can hold 30 here, 29.50s before rebound, I think that's successful. If not, it's just probably going to flush under 28 and hit a new low. 27, okay. Let's just wait. There we go. It's coming down. Test 29.50. Yeah, you haven't seen the video? She saves her dog by just pushing the grizzly bear off the wall, risking her life. GameStop testing EMA again, pulling back. The key here is just holding these levels. There we go. AMC with the bounce above 30 again. All we need is a break above like 33, 34, and it's game over. You're gonna see a lot of momentum coming through. Like last week. Last week's market opens were nuts. Right now we're just kind of consolidating here. I think the sell-off we saw here on market open was just a lot of the swing traders who took in profits. Because what did we close that on Friday? We're at 20 something, right? Like mid 20s on Friday. Yeah, like 26. And it being here at 31. That's a pretty good profit. Mm. See Tesla right now. Oh, coming down. Is Nasdaq coming down? How's Nasdaq? Pulling back a little bit. How are we on the 5? About to test CMA. I can't wait for Thursday. Oh, by the way, I think Tesla did move their event to June 10. So one more week. Like I mentioned, Elon's always a little gets too excited and ahead of himself on the dates. So we're gonna wait a week for that. It's not Thursday. For Tesla. Coin, yeah. Someone mentioned Coinbase. 244. It's coming back from the dead. 208. Is anybody holding Coinbase? Baba's pulling back. I think we have some Twitter still, right? Oh, 58, 57. Let's just sell our Twitter. I mean, we only have 10 shares at 53. Fill me out, baby. You can always buy back on the dip. Look how long it's taking me to fill the cell. Let's just lower this here. There we go. Back to AMC. There we go. That's the rip I'm talking about. That's what we need. Test that EMA on the 5, right? Yep. 30.96. All right, let's just sell it here and just buy back on the dip. I feel like I was trading this a bit wrong. Look how fast I get executed on this. The liquidity is nuts. And let's just buy back. I watched that bear video. It was a mama bear. Yeah, with the cubs, right? Yeah, I think there was a couple like on the back of the wall. That lady was nuts though. Mama bear mode, exactly. Alrighty, I have a feeling this might actually pull back from here to like 30, 30, 50. Let's see if it does. If it doesn't and it keeps on going, then oh well, it is what it is. But I expect to pull back to at least like 30, 20, 30, 40. Oh, it's gonna keep on going up. That's crazy. Let's pull up the video really quick. I think there's a lot of people that are like, what the hell are they talking about? Watch. Take a look, guys. This is what we're talking about. Look. Boom. That's crazy. No walls. Yeah, I'm not looking at the level 2. Yeah, I don't see any on there. Before they were nuts. You'd see them like every freaking 5 cents, every 10 cents, half dollar mark, whole dollar number. Now they're just gone. Let's just wait for that dip. Are we gonna get it? Brown bear, grizzly bear. I don't know the difference. It looks like a grizzly bear. What's going on, Victor? GC is down, gold is down. Anybody here buying gold? Expecting a massive dump, the crash of the dollar, and they flee to freaking gold. I mean, even Bitcoin too, right? Real estate, about 600 pounds. Come on. If I hop in on you right here, AMC, don't drag down on me. Can I ever go wrong with gold? Not paper. I am sheltering my money in Gamestop and bullets. So we had that pullback to 30.50. It's bouncing off of there. Let's just wait to see if it holds 31. This might be the reversal here. Let's just wait. $31.20. It's coming. Cup and handle. I can see it. 32 cup and handle here. So we did have that pullback. Now we're bouncing. Strong signs of support. There we go. It's not no completion of the cup and handle just yet. Let it hold above 31. That's the next support level. First it was 30, now it's at 31. Let it hold, let it hold. $31.43. $31.67. Extension, baby, to 32. Come on. It's a little indecisive here, but if it can hold 31, very, very good sign. $40 is very much possible too. After 36, I think 40 is very highly possible. Today, midday, power hour, tomorrow, Thursday. That's what I was taking a look at. Stacks a lot. I kind of saw a head and shoulders pattern here forming. Was it the 1 hour? Was it another stock? No, it was here on the 1 hour. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So if that's the case, usually sometimes this isn't the best case because if it is completing that, then it's gonna come down like $20, right? You can kind of see this happening here. Um, but if it doesn't, you just have this crazy cup and handle just going up to $40, which again, anything is possible. What's the volume on AMC? Let's pull up Yahoo Finance or Finance. Trending tickers are AMC, GameStop, Neo, Sundial, and Alibaba. AMC volume right now is 118 mil. That's crazy. Head and shoulders, when the right shoulder is lower, it's bearish. 100% agree. When it's shrugging the shoulder upward, it's still it's neutral or bullish. 100% agree. Right now, I think we're seeing the shrug, right? Right here, 31. But again, like you said, if it comes down here, it's a little bearish, but it is what it is. Let's just wait and see. All right, we're at EMA on the 5. Let's wait and see. Are we gonna hold? 31. 31. Still, it's fighting. GameStop 232. I like this. I like this on pattern here. Higher lows on GameStop. Resistance still it still is at 233. Usually last week you'd see GameStop kind of lagging behind AMC, but I think today it's on its own. The pullbacks were here apparently though at market open. Like I said, swing traders taking in some profits. Can't blame them for that. I wonder if AMC, if it pulls back to 30, is GameStop going to follow? That's going to be interesting to see. Or will GameStop break out to like 235 before AMC breaks out to like 32? It's holding here though. When it comes to AMC GameStop, they are their own beasts. 100%. I agree. They do what they want, what the market manipulation allows. I agree. Come on, GameStop. What's the volume on GameStop, guys? Yeah, AMC's at 100 plus, 100 mil plus. So Friday we had what volume? Like 500. The day prior was like 6. I wouldn't be surprised if we see diminishing volume too. Maybe a lot of people are on the sidelines as well, waiting for a dip. That could be a possibility. 55, we're under EMA slightly. We could possibly pull back to like 30.10. Let's see. But these dips get eaten up real quick. Let's buy up right here. Let's see. Is it gonna pull back even more? Damn, I should have waited just a split second. 30.39 average. Let's wait and see. Remove this really quick. GameStop pulling back, so it looks like they are trading together. Hmm. Sideways trade for GameStop all day. Sideways trade for GameStop all day today, we reckon. Deep effing no way he tweeted. Oh my gosh, he tweeted. It's been since April 16th. Oh shit. Wait, hold on. Let me. I want. Is this gonna bounce or no? Come on, AMC. Yeah, he tweeted. Last tweet was April 16th. It's been a minute. Oh my gosh, it's a cat. Watch, I'll show it to you guys right now. I just want to wait to see what happens with this. Is this gonna bounce or what? Take a look, guys. He did tweet. That's nuts. Come on, AMC. The music. The music. Oh, it's funny. The kitty's back, baby. Oh shit. Oh man. Come on, AMC. I'm not feeling it, man. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. This is not what we saw last week. The bounces aren't that crazy aggressive. It's a little indecisive. $30 flat. There we go, a green candle. Is it gonna get eaten up on the way back down? Let's just wait and see. Roaring Kitty's back. Let's see. Let's see the replies on his tweet. See what people are saying. See. There's the bounce. I'm just too impatient on this. I don't have the patience for it. Holy crap, he is back. GameStop to 1,000 and the day confirmed. Look at the spike here on GameStop. That's funny. The king is back. The king returns. There's no volume on this. GameStop pushing. That's called the roaring kitty bounce. There we go. Man, now we have to keep a close watch on his Twitter. See what he does. How much shares does he have? Like 200K? Something like that. Mm, 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 mm. Will GameStop sustain 230s? I think if it can hold 230 today and AMC can hold, Tesla's pulling back, and AMC can hold 30, dubs. 230 for GameStop and 30 for AMC. Tesla dropping. How's Nasdaq pulling back? Yep, Nasdaq is sinking or flushing out. Oh, oh. We can probably come back down to like 13.3 by Friday. So it looks like we're holding 30 again. Be patient, be patient. See if he comes back down. I'll see you later, Dante. Thanks for stopping by. Stay healthy and stay safe. Oh, we're dropping back again. Katie Catalyst. Oh man. Mm! Holy GameStop! What? GameStop, GameStop, GameStop. Is AMC gonna follow? Oh boy. Oh man, my palms just got sweaty. There comes AMC again. GameStop leading the way. Oh shit. Roaring kitty pump. Look at that volume. Don't pull back, don't pull back, don't pull back. Is AMC gonna follow? 30-50 still. School of Trade. I almost spit my drink just seeing the spike. Holy moly! 237, we're continuation. Oh gosh, come on AMC, wake up. GameStop is back in town, leading the way. 3074. 240. Oh man. What did it say? Theater analysts on how investors can value AMC's mid-surge. Who is this guy? There's a Reddit post on Superstonk that talked about what GameStop does every time it breaks 53 OBV. This is Redditors on something, I think. You're talking about 253? I'm a little confused on that. Deep F and value is the new Elon. No one can overtake Elon, man. Elon is just too crazy. Elon's too powerful. What's going on, Ragnar? How was the movie, by the way, on Friday? I know you went for a movie. The new movie came out, right? Something about Silent. I forgot what it was. It was like a spooky movie, Silent something. And we have Fast and the Furious coming out in this month, I believe, June. Telling you, movies ain't going anywhere. They ain't going anywhere. People want to go out, man. People want to go out. There's an AMC I drive by all the time. The lot is pretty effing packed. 241 GameStop. A Quiet Place. There we go. I heard it was a crappy ass movie though. Oh, you saw Wrath of Man? Wrath of Man. AMC pulling back. The vibes are different today on AMC compared to last week. Wrath of Man come out? I think it did. Ragnar said he saw it on Friday. $6 Tuesday at AMC. Is that for like the rewards, right? Or like concessions? I don't know. I really don't. I only last time I went, I only got like a beer, which is rare. And then I watched this really confusing movie, and I was tripping out. It's like it's that movie that plays backwards, right? What is it called? It's the timing on it is very different. What is it called? I forgot what it was called. The Tenants. Yes, thank you so much. That movie's just it really mind fucks you. Like I was confused. I was driving home. It was like 1 in the morning. It was really late. I was like, what? I was trying to figure it out. Go to the movies on an acid trip? No, I'll never touch on any of like psychedelics or acid or I don't know. I just think I'll become a person, and what if I get stuck and I don't like who I am or something like that? Or like I just stop trading stocks and I don't know, devote my life to something else. I don't know, man. GameStop holding 240 very nicely. Game AMC still holding 30. Oh, 242. We're going to 250. Come on. Look at that volume and activity pickup on this. This is nuts. Look at that volume spike here. Ooh, lovely. Let's see. Memento. I don't know what the hell that is. Memento. Is that like some drug or something? Or a movie? I don't know. Oh, we're going to 250. 243 GameStop. AMC, you need to wake up, man. You're getting left behind. Oh, it's a movie? I'm over here thinking it's a drug. Memento. I like how AMC is holding 30 making support. Yeah, it's holding 30. That's very nice. 230 is what we need to hold for GameStop, but it's going to 250s. That's insane. LSD Lakeshore Drive. Let's see, Memento movie. Oh, it's a movie from 2000, right? That's what it says here on Google. Psychological thriller film. Oh, Christopher Nolan, directed by Christopher Nolan. I love Christopher Nolan. He makes bangers, man. Best movie out there, baby. Interstellar. Christopher Nolan and Interstellar. That's another movie that really the timing is off. The events in the movie, the chronological events are kind of mind fucks you. It's an older movie like Tenet. Come on, GameStop. Hold 240s, man. 240s would be epic today. AMC, on the other hand, is looking a little weak here at 29.80. It's bouncing there, though. We need a massive spike to like 31 right now. Or else we might retest 29. Let's wait and see. If Tenet messed with you, then Memento would get you too. Alright, I guess we'll give it a shot then. I mean, I don't have Netflix. I mean, what is it on? Probably on YouTube for like free, or you pay $2. Let's just be patient. Let's watch it hold 30. Come on, AMC. Had to watch it a couple times to try to understand it. Yeah, it's really confusing. At some point in the movie, I just gave up. GameStop with another leg up. Can we see 250 on this bounce off the EMA? Come on, GameStop. No wall zone. Come on. Come on. A new high is not a meme. AMC might wake up here, by the way. It might curl up. We're waiting for that bounce here to 31. How are we looking on the 5? Inching in there? Yep. Let's close at 5. So we might trade at 30 for a couple more minutes. Or if not, we might come down. That's what we don't want to see. Alrighty. GameStop coming down 240s. If you can hold 240s, massive dubs. AMC still at 29.95, right around $30. Let's wait and see. We might see a pullback to 29 or a rip to like 30.80s. Oops. Where'd you go? On Netflix. I have to create an account. AMC pops or poops at 1050. Let's just wait and see. Give it some time. GameStop 240 hold. Beautiful, beautiful. Still green though, yeah. AMC's still green. Here it comes. Show me a rip. 30.80, baby. Come on. Oh, I remember the 801 battle. That was nuts. That was crazy. I was buying the dip there too. I was adding on the position. And we closed. That was nuts. There was a couple seconds left. Someone clipped it, by the way, I think on Twitter. The battle of 3001. What? Oh, damn, that's nuts. That's crazy just to think about that. My mouth is getting dry. GameStop 238. I have water. Pulling back. If they're gonna hold 240, man, that'd be nuts. AMC is still holding 30 here. Give it some time. It was 801, and then it was like 1401. 1401. Yep. 14. I think it's fantastic that it's holding 30 right here. Like it's not coming down. That's a really good sign. Yeah, 1450 was the last one before we actually pulled back. Where those walls came in when AMC was barcoding like crazy. That day was like a massive manipulation straight to your face. That day is not up. You just never forget times like that. It was just barcoding. There was walls left and right, and it was crazy. AMC's killing it 100%. Come on. GameStop pulling back 237. Let's see Twitter. What's trending on Twitter? I guess I'm watching this video of Warren Kitty. The music is just crazy. Come on, we're waiting for this really solid green spike here on AMC to like $30, 30.80. Come on. Not gonna lie, AMC scares me with the Mudra Capital. Hopefully they don't sell off, or they could have just closed their short position. We don't know, because I know for a fact we were researching Mudrick back in March. It's kind of weird how things work now. They came back up June, right? So they traded GameStop and AMC. They bought originally in December, and they flipped it for a big profit. They sold at the end of January. So they made money on that. And Rob and I, we were watching them because we were like, these guys are brilliant. These guys know how to play it. So we were just gonna keep an eye out there on their 13F filings. And look what happened this morning. Mondrick is back in the news. Oh, don't fake me out like this. What's going on? It did this last Friday. There was a spike here and then it got dumped. These market makers, man. Oh, don't drop. GameStop pulling back too. Are you more bullish on AMC or GameStop for a short-term squeeze? I don't think there's an answer for that because if AMC does continue to push up, GameStop's gonna follow regardless, right? Fundamentally wise, 100% GameStop. That's just the truth, man. AMC's making a mistake by going after ArcLight instead of paying down their freaking debt. That's the mistake. They need to pay down that debt, man. Just like GameStop did. Very brilliant. But I'm not the CEO. I'm not Adam Aaron. He might know. He obviously is more experienced, knows a lot more. But it is what it is, you know. Like hopefully it pays off, and it's a good decision unless they raise more capital down the road and they pay off some of that debt, in which I think they might. Like I said, call me a show, but I think the dilution on the proxy is going to come back. I think it'll come back. What's going on, Alan? I think but good vibes, baby. Vibes and tendies. Are we going to see a bounce here? Oh, shit. No. Bounce, AMC. Come on. Don't give me another leg down. You're looking like Tesla right now. Hmm. GameStop following too. Let's buy 75 more shares. Fill me in. Oh, I hate you. Think or swim. By a split second, I don't get filled. So now we have to wait. Sub 29. It's not coming down. Yeah, I will never sell my GameStop until major changes looking for stock split or dividend. Does anyone know why they trade in company with each other? I mean, that's how they came up. The meme stocks, quote unquote. BlackBerry, that's why you see BlackBerry also pushing up. AMC, Nokia, Build-A-Bear was another one. Sundial. It's a sector. It's like uh the shipping sector back in 2016. There was Dries ships, there was Tops, there was another one as well, and they all moved in accordance to each other. Usually there's one that's leading the way, and in this case it was GameStop that first started everything when mainstream was going crazy, 400, 500, blah blah blah. So, but I think now it's back. The spotlight is on AMC now. We need more FOMO on AMC. That kind of cooled down a little bit. You could feel it in the stock, man. Last week we were seeing some crazy rapid rebounds. We are here too, but we're not seeing them as quick and as aggressive. It takes a little bit more time. Look at this bounce here. We're not really seeing a bounce to like $30, but let's wait and see. These hedge funds are not running out of ammo. They're not. These hedge funds are not losing. Appear strong when weak and weak when strong. I think they're making a killing on this stock, man. Man, I gotta use the freaking bathroom, but I don't know. Should we just hold it? All right, we're just gonna hold it. Let's see if it bounces. I'll be right back. Oh, I had my mic muted. Oh, fuck, man. Oh. Yup. AMC's pulling back again. Let's wait. Another leg down. 54. What was I gonna say? So yeah, I'm playing with very small shares just because of the momentum. This is not the same day as last week. Last week the momentum was nuts, and imagine if I would have went larger, I would have been in an L even further or deeper in the hole basically. But as a trader, you have to be able to like feel that. It's a weird. I don't know how to explain it. You have to understand the situation and be able to adapt to it, knowing that hey, every trade I've taken today has been pretty much an L to just kind of cool it off on that. Last week we were on the hot streak. Every trade we were taking was green, and profits just add up. But today it's kind of different. It's not the same. Man, I'm gonna stop watching the markets for the day. This is bloody. Let's see, SPY. Yeah, SPY's about to go red too. Nasdaq just went red. I mean, are you talking about the overall market or just GameStop and AMC? Just popped in here to show Record Rock some love. I learned a lot from this channel, and I appreciate his DD. And for those who want to know how to day trade, this man has a wealth of knowledge. I appreciate that, but there's still a lot I gotta learn, man. Like, there's still a lot to learn. I appreciate that. Yeah, OPEC is there's a meeting right now going on with OPEC. OPEC to increase production gradually. I mean, as we open, it completely makes sense. We run on oil. EMAP is getting more red. Yeah, you're right. It's flashing a little red. I mean, we have Powell on Friday. On the 10th, we have the CPI, and then we have the FOMC meeting. $29.34 is that 5 EMA. 5 EMA is at 30.10. Wow. So probably another little break-even trade here. It's probably gonna come back above 30. So that's the thing. You could either hold the 30, break even now, and wait for further downside, potentially 27. It can be, or a closure of the gap here at 25. Hmm. I'd rather just break even here and rebuy back later. Like I'm not too confident right now in the momentum. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Let's just wait. I could be wrong. This could shoot back up to 30, so let's wait and see. Oh, the VIX. I've been wanting to watch the VIX. I want to buy calls on the VIX. Oh, it's already moved up to 18. Can I hit 28 again? What do we hit? 30? We're almost right here at the spike here. Hmm. The US CPI data was an excuse for the market to sell out. This was the 13th of May. And it will still be an excuse to sell off. AMC was looking so good in the pre-market, absolutely. But then again, remember, these swing traders, man, they're going to take profits. Ralph is a disinfo shill paid by the hedge funds. Oh, gosh. It's crazy how these stories people make up, right? Like, oh, man. Some analyst has come out saying there's a big market correction due in the next 12 months. There's going to be a massive crash coming soon. When the music stops playing and the Fed stops freaking and the Fed starts tapering, oh boy. Oh boy. Who was an analyst? I want to look more into that or look at the interview. Um, there's a rebound. So it looks like we have some resistance here at the 5 EMA. If it pushes to 30 and it comes back down, we're going to hop back in. If not, it has the potential to just curl up above 30 maybe in the next hour or so, 31, 32. Let's wait and see. Keep in mind on the 1 hour, we have this head and shoulders here. We have to hold. Come on. Intense inflation. That's the thing. If this inflation isn't transitory, oh man, the Powell's in trouble. They're just kicking the can down the road. Hyperinflation is just another question. Article on Yahoo News. I'll probably read it after the stream. Yeah, because that's impossible, right? A multi-billion-dollar hedge fund can't pay an influencer off to kill AMC surge. I think the YouTubers are like the last concern for these hedge funds. Sorry, can you outline the head and shoulders? I can never see it. I'm sorry about that. Left shoulder, head. Come on, mouse. Right shoulder. Let's remove this. We're seeing that bounce there. They didn't think we would have saw that bounce, but at the end of the day, I'd rather just break even and wait for it to come down. I reckon hedge funds are scared of Godpill. How's Godpill been, man? Somebody let me know on his plays. I know he was buying some options or calls, but I don't know exactly what price and expiration date. Yeah, I didn't have these guys. These people swear that I had millions and millions of people watching me. I'm over here moving markets. Nope. If anything, they're going out after the bigger people here pumping AMC. These people are insane. Tesla, what are you doing today? 627. AMD, not AMC, AMD. Semis. Nvidia has a vote on the split, a 4-1, 3 or 4-4-1 split on Thursday. Intel also was on the spotlight. I think they said the chip shortage um was going to extend, or they were staying true to their remarks on the chip shortage lasting like 2 years or so. I saw that yesterday, I think. It's not on here. Is that true or is that BS because AMD's taking them out? They're just putting up excuses. Hmm. Makes you think. My my chairs will move the markets. It was this guy right here. This guy's fault. Jamer. Yeah, Neil was hot too. What was it like sub 40? Like really close to 40? Ooh, we're above 40 on Neil, man. Can Neil hit 50 bucks? Hmm. Neil's following Tesla too. It's in the hands of Tesla. $29.37. We're still up 13% though on AMC. It's just a patience game, man. It's just a patience game. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna set an alert if it does come down under. We'll swoop this bad boy up. If not, we'll just let it rally. It is what it is. Let's set a couple of alerts. I don't want to miss this. Let's also set some just in case NASDAQ decides to dump again on Tesla. How's Apple, by the way? Reversing, reversing. I love how people get mad at a day trader for day trading. I think it's because a lot of people, or the people who are talking smack, haven't ever day traded. So they don't understand the mindset, you know? You can't blame them. And it's like that I'm the only one, right? I'm the only one day trading. I'm the only one publicly probably doing it, but there's a lot out there, 100%. Um, I think we're gonna end it here, guys. There we go, 29.77. If this does come down under 29, I'll probably swoop some up for sure. Tesla, we're waiting for it to come down. We might be going red in the overall market. Let's wait and see, but let's wait and see if it does come down. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed this, I'd appreciate if you guys slap that like button. And I'll be back tomorrow. I keep thinking it's Wednesday pre-market. So yeah, I'll probably have a video out later too, just talking about dates that you have to keep in mind for June, CPI, Fed, whatever, and things that I expect and why I don't want to hold any stock headed into the FOMC meeting. So very, very important date, very, very important meetings and data. You guys have to be aware of this data coming out. It's going to move markets. No, Ralph, you must stay on. Oh man, I'm gonna do some research, get a workout, and we'll see what happens with AMC. But I'm gonna probably be glued to this. Probably move my laptop too, just because I don't want to miss the dip on this. It's a little weird today though. It's not the same as last week. I have a feeling the volume, the momentum has slightly cooled down a bit. I know that people will say, Ralph, it's still 12%, and you're crazy, but my gut's telling me it's a little different today. The momentum's a little slightly different today compared to last week. Let's take a look at the volume. 230 mil? No, it's at 177. Love, peace, and AMC grease. Doge grease. You're the Doge, baby. I'll see you guys. Dates video would be good. Okay, I'll have a video out today for sure. Um, oh, so I could short Apple. Last time we were shorting Apple, remember we were shorting Apple at what price were we shorting this bad boy? At 30, right? I was going crazy on Apple. I was shorting Apple at right here at 35. I think I had like 135K position, short position on Apple. Oh man, I'm crazy. Um, but yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow and later for a video. Maybe there's a slight chance power hour, maybe slim chance, but we'll see. We'll see.